Good afternoon. Welcome to knowYva Foundation. And today's session is on how to integrate Power BI with Python. So you can run Python script in Power BI. But for this, you should have first installed Python in your local computer, and then you can integrate it with Power BI desktop. So for this, I consider you already have installed Power BI and Python. If not, you can install it and try this. And after installation of Python, three more packages need to be installed. One is pandas, another one is matplotlib. These two library file packages needs to be installed. After installing Python, you can use pip install pandas command. So I open command prompt. You can check my Python version. So Python minus minus it is 3.11.0. Then you can give pip install pandas and then pip install matplotlib. One by one, you can install the packages. And then if you need to import Excel data into Python, for this one more package needs to be installed, which is nothing but openpyxl. Okay, openpyxl. To open the Excel sheet in Python, this package needs to be installed. Once you have installed these three packages, the first step is run your script and check whether it is running without error first. So I open idle. I already have the script. So here in E colon Python scripts. So I have already wrote the script. It is import pandas as PD. And using pandas, I read the Excel file. Read the path to the Excel file. So I have my Excel sheet in E colon Power BI example 1. I have English, Maths and Physics. Three Excel sheet I have. I will open and show. So we have already created. So this is Maths, Physics. So Physics, Maths and English I have. Okay, name the sheet accordingly. If you have multiple sheets, name the sheet accordingly. You can import from Excel required sheet also. Here I am going to import English sheet from English Excel. So I gave the full path to the Excel file. Then which sheet I want? I want English. So sheet name English I have given, and then from this English sheet which columns I require I can specify. If you need all entire data from the Excel, this line not required, but if you require only the columns, you can specify which columns you require, and that alone you can get from this Excel. So here I have given English PD dot data frame. So here we require data frame. So data frame, this data one which I read, and then columns, whichever columns I require. Or I can read the entire Excel sheet. Maths I have read entirely. Physics I have read entirely. And if you want to load data from Python, so it should be in this data frame format. Here I have given name, registration number and the marks. So in this data pd.data frame, I give this data and I give the column name as name, registration number and marks. First write the script, run it, check to see without errors, then you can load in Power BI. So from English, we loaded the English sheet, Maths everything is loaded, Physics everything is loaded, and from Python we are giving data. Okay, all are possible. So our script is running correctly. I copy this script. Now open Power BI. In Power BI, go to File and then Options and Settings. In this, go to Options and then here our everything will be listed. We have to select Python script in this. So in this, select Python scripting. So it is automatically detected. So Python must be installed. So it is automatically detecting. Path is set. So it has detected automatically. And then Python ID is to run the script. Python ID is automatically detected for us. If not, if you have multiple Pythons installed, then select which one you need and Python ID is and then click OK. Now go to get data and then go to more. So we are going to load data from Python. So go to more. Here select other and then select Python script and then connect. Here paste the script, the Python script which is running, paste that script and give OK. It's getting loaded. It will take some time to connect and load, so just wait. Yeah, it's loading. Yeah, it's loaded. You will get the data. Yeah, we need English, maths, and physics. These three we require. And if you want the data from which you loaded in Python, you can load that also. Now give load. It is getting loaded. So here we will get the data after loading. It's loading. Evaluating. Waiting for other queries. Waiting. Creating connection in model. It will create the relationship for us. Yeah, 3 rows loaded. Detecting relationships. So it will create automatically relationship for us. It will load. Just wait. Yeah. Now click the relationship tab. So relations all are created for us and table view. You can see the table view and report view, relationship view and dx view. So now we want to create one more table. So create enter data or you can go to modeling and do it. So I add one column. Here I give total underscore marks. Okay, the table name I give total underscore marks. I load it. So the table is created. There are no relations as of now. Now select this table and go to modeling or home. Go to home and give transform data. Okay, here select the table. Here select the table and give append queries. So we want to append 3 or more tables. So select the option 3 or more tables and select from which tables you want data. Now give OK. Okay, and these two columns not required, we'll remove it. For table creation, we gave that column, so we are removing it. Now select all the 3 columns, right click and give merge columns and give the name as total underscore marks. Give OK. We no need this step, so we'll delete this step. We want only maths, English and physics. Right click and then merge columns. So the new column name I give total underscore marks. I give OK and then I right click total marks. I give group by. In group by I go to advanced, select registration number and then name and then new column name. Same thing we can give total underscore marks. We need sum of total marks. Give OK. Error, same error is coming. Change the data type to decimal. Or we'll remove this step. So select the column, change the data type to decimal and then right click, group by, advanced and then select registration number and then name, group by, new column name. We can give total operation. We want sum of marks. Give OK. So our total is created. Rest data visualization you can do it. And if you want a new column, you can go to add column and then you can give columns from Excel. Okay, to create columns, either we can do it in transform data. First we'll close and apply it. We'll close and apply. So here you can go to table, click on table view. It's still loading total marks, just wait. Yeah. So click on total marks. Total marks. If you want, you can give new column. Okay, new column is created. And here you can give the column name as English underscore marks and you can give we can use the function related of from English marks we can get it. Okay, if you enter you will from English table English marks will be loaded here and the column name will be English marks. Rest data visualization you can do it or else we'll try it. So go to relationship tab, Total marks also relation created. Go to report view, select stacked column, and from English drag the name and then English marks, and another stacked column or another stacked, another stacked column, and then we can drag name to x-axis and then max to y-axis, and then one more stacked column for physics. So we can drag name to x-axis and physics to y-axis, and then we can import pie chart. We can import pie chart and we can drag name and total marks. So Lakshmi 244. When I click Lakshmi, you can see the according changes here. Relations are created. So Lakshmi has scored well in English. So that's about integrating Python with Power BI desktop. Thank you for listening. Any questions you can mail to arunkumar@knowYva.com. Thank you. Have a great day.